In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect circle in Adobe Fresco. Now first, you want to pick your brush, and then there's two ways to do this. This is going to work with any brush, just select the one that you prefer. I'm going to go with this default one, which is the hard round brush. Now after you do this, the first step is going to be, or the first way to do it, to just try and draw a perfect circle, and then instead of releasing your brush, you can just hold it for a second, and it's going to turn into a perfect brush, or a perfect circle. Let me show you what I mean by this. So if I go and click and try to draw a perfect circle like this, and if I go and hold at the end, it's going to turn just like this into a perfect circle. So just hold, so click and then drag like this, and when you try and draw a perfect circle at the end, just hold for a bit longer, and it's going to get converted into a perfect circle just like this. That's the first way to do it. And then the second way to do it is as follows. You want to go to the bottom right here, and by default you'll see a ruler, so it's going to be the drawing aid of a ruler over here. What you're going to do is just click and hold this, or tap and hold this, and then you want to click on circle. Now when you do this here, as you can see, we have the circle guide over here, and then of course you can move it around if you want to. So I'm just going to leave it over here as it is right now, and I'm actually going to remove this in the back. And then when you put this on here onto your canvas, you can then just basically click over here, and it's kind of, when you go over with your mouse, it's going to automatically draw a perfect circle for you just like this. Okay, now whenever you're done, click on this guide again at the bottom right, and there we go, you have a perfect circle as well. So those are the two ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.